Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I just wanted to make some beautiful Valentine's Day themed strawberries, and we're gonna start off by washing our strawberries and drying them very well. Remember to not let your strawberries sit for too long and only do this step, the washing and the drying, right before dipping. Now I'm just adding the toothpicks to my strawberries. So right here I'm just tapping the chocolate to get rid of air bubbles. Now we pull the stems back and dip completely in our chocolate. And now I'm just adding a small almond on my strawberry. Make sure that you add your almond while your chocolate is still wet so it can stick on there very good. Okay, now I'm just adding color milk to color my white chocolate. Make sure that you use oil-based food coloring to color chocolate. So this part was actually really unnecessary to the video because I didn't end up using it. I wanted to try the marbling color, but I just didn't end up liking it. But I still put it out here because I want to show you guys like not everything is perfect and we make mistakes, and I just ended up mixing all those colors together and dipping them again. I wouldn't recommend dipping 2 times because the covering was very thick and I was using almond bark, so I would not recommend it unless you're using a really good quality chocolate. Okay, and now for the drizzle. So for this one, I actually did it differently. I cut the hole a little bit bigger and I drizzled kind of close to the strawberry so it can be somewhat straight. As always, I'll be linking everything down below for you guys. This, I actually got it on Amazon and I'm using lemon extract. Okay, mix very well and make sure it's a good consistency. It's not too runny and it's not too thick. And now we're gonna be coloring our almond. Just look at how pretty it is. It's so elegant, so simple. Okay, so now we're just gonna splatter our chocolate strawberries and make sure that the gold right here is actually runny so you can splatter easily. For this part, you can also use a new toothbrush. And for these strawberries, I'm just doing a clean, simple drizzle, and I'm putting some sprinkles on top. These sprinkles I actually painted myself. I added the glitter and all that. So let me know if you guys are interested because I had so much fun making these and they're so beautiful. Okay, now I'm just placing my strawberries on mini cupcake liners for a cleaner look. And we are done, you guys. this is how they turned out. I think they're so beautiful, perfect for selling, perfect for giving out as a present. Let me know if you guys remake them, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.